I can't right now.
Tell your dog you don't want to play and record their reaction.
I don't want to play. I don't want to play. Luna, I'm sorry, but I don't want to play. Okay? I'm busy.
What happens if you try to give a Shiva more than for kisses?
Why is my dog so dramatic in the house? Compared to when he thinks I'm not watching.